In today's video, we're gonna show you how to take your F-Series Mini Cooper from sounding like this to sounding like this. So in today's video, we're gonna be installing the MST intake on my Mini Cooper Clubman S. The good thing is this fits all F-Series Mini Coopers, whether you have a B36 engine or a B48 engine, which would either be the 3-cylinder or 4-cylinder. As long as this is an F-Series, which would be an F54, an F55, an F56, F57, or an F60 Countryman, it will fit your car. Without further ado, let's get into the install. All right, first thing we're gonna do is open up the hood. All right, now you can grab a pick tool and we're gonna unplug our mass airflow sensor. Basically, you're gonna pop this little tab and then you're gonna push on it and you can pull out your sensor. So to show you a better angle of what I did, I'm gonna pop that back in. You're gonna take your pick tool, pop the clip up, and then you press on the clip and it'll pop right out. Then you can grab a flathead and we're gonna undo this clamp right here. Get it nice and loose, just like that. Next, what we're gonna do is remove this hose right here. If you remove the rubber around this plastic clip, it will pop off. As you can see, mine's broken, so I'm just gonna set it to the side. Then you'll need a T25, and all we have to do is remove 3 screws, attaching the top of the airbox to the bottom. Now these won't fully unscrew. You'll get to a point where you can tell that they're loose. So we did that one. We're gonna do this one over here on the right side, and the third one is right here. All right, now it's time to remove the top of the airbox. If you give this a little squeeze, you can pull this hose off here. And then this should just lift straight up. You can go straight out just like that. And here's a look at your air filter. Ooh, it's pretty dirty in there. Good thing we're replacing it. Holy cow. Then you're gonna take your pipe, your filter, and a clamp. And on the side that's furthest from your mass airflow sensor, it has this little bump here. You're gonna slide on the filter. And then with the flathead, we're gonna tighten down that clamp. Then you're gonna take MST's heat shield and you're gonna route the pipe through, just like that. We're gonna place the heat shield on, and as we're doing that, we're gonna line up our piping, just like that. It should fall right into place, just like that. Then you wanna make sure to grab the provided screws by MST and a Phillips, and you're going to reinstall the screws in the OEM location, and be very careful not to drop these in your engine bay. Then we can go ahead and tighten up the hose clamp. Now the last thing we need to do is change over our mass airflow sensor to our new intake. Now one very important note when picking out your intake for your Mini Cooper is you need to look at the type of mass airflow sensor that you have. The reason for this is that Mini changed the screw location, so there's actually 2 different variations when choosing the MST intake. There's 5601 and 5602. What you can do is look at your OEM intake and see which mass airflow sensor you have. As you can see, I have 5601, so I picked the 5601 variation. So I'm gonna take a T20 and undo these OEM screws. And we can pull this out. We can put it in the new intake. Then make sure to use the provided bolts by MST. Do not use the OEM screws, they will not fit. And you can thread these in and tighten them down. Then we can reinstall our mass airflow sensor and make sure you clip that clip down. Oh my gosh. That sounds way louder. That pairs perfectly with my DINAN exhaust. So as you can tell, it sounds amazing. It looks amazing. It's definitely a must-do mod. And as you saw in the DIY, it's super easy. It literally took us like 15-20 minutes to install. If you're looking for one of these intakes for your Mini, you should check us out at kiesmotorsports.com or kies.com, Kies.com. You can reach out to our guys at info@kies.com for any questions, and all the links will be provided in the description below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.